Welcome back to the RV Rundown. I'm your host Barry, and I'm here today on the Southern RV Sales Lot to take a quick look at the new 2022 Keystone Avalanche 352BH. It's a bunkhouse fifth wheel. This is a full profile, wide body construction fifth wheel built with full-time use in mind. It's built with family in mind as well, hence the BH, the bunkhouse. Let's get right to it. It's behind me. As you can see right here in the back of the coach, we have multiple bunks and storage options along with a lot of windows back here to really lighten the room up. This unit is capable of hosting quite a few folks thanks to that bunk room and the fact that out here in the living room we have a U-shaped dinette that can be converted into a bed, as well as a couch that can be converted into a bed as well. If you didn't want this U-shaped dinette, you do have the option of ordering this in with a TV, or a sofa, excuse me, and that would be nice because this sits directly across from our entertainment system. The TV is right here. It's kind of built into this L-shaped kitchen. The TV itself is on a televator, so it does have a switch that moves it up and down, and that will hide it away, revealing that big picturesque window back there and giving you a lot of counter space for setting up a buffet or things of that nature. The fireplace down below it is a heater, so that's going to crank out some heat in the winter and help offset some of your LP costs. We have a Jensen audio system built into the head unit up here, and that's going to have Bluetooth capabilities as well. Our kitchen is modest. It kind of reminds me of the Avalanche 295RK in a lot of ways, but it's still very residential in the sense that we have a big LG convection microwave, a nice large Furrion 3-burner stovetop with an oven down below, as well as some big drawer storage options, plenty of cabinetry for all of your pots and pans and dry goods. Our sink is covered up by solid surface covers, but removing them reveals a dual basin stainless steel sink. And they've given us a nice big wand for washing out those pots and pans. This does come equipped with a Samsung residential refrigerator. It's nice and large. This can be powered off of the battery system when running down the road thanks to an inverter on board. There's a small wine rack up above, and then pushing back, we head towards the upstairs of this unit. As soon as we come through the main entry door though, we have accessible right here our primary control panel, which sees all of our tank fills, turns on all of our lights, as well as gives us fan controls. Our AC is right here as well, and this is equipped with a max fan, so that can really cycle a lot of air out. Our bathroom is actually quite spacious thanks to the fact that they've ran the slide from the bedroom all the way into the bathroom. That does a couple of things. It really opens up the floor in here, and it gives us big storage options for the bathroom. Not to mention, if we decided to, we could put in a combo unit washer dryer into that space. Our shower, nice and large, actually has a seat in the back of it with a skylight up above. Medicine cabinet gives us plenty of storage, and in addition to that, they put in a spot for towels and such back here above the toilet. We have two entrances to the bedroom. We can either go in through the bathroom or from the main hallway. The bedroom is modestly equipped. The way that the slide has been done, there's no storage under the bed here, but we have plenty of storage in other places. So they put hanging closets on either side, a nice big picturesque window out the front with drawers underneath and a vanity style storage system hiding up above. Yet again, more hanging space on either side. And then they put a big chest of drawers right here at the foot of the bed for containing all of your foldables. We can put a TV in up above it if we so choose. And they've incorporated a nice seat at the foot of the bed as well, just so that you can tie your shoes in the morning. This does have some storage options down in below. Now guys, we're not quite done. Let's go pop outside because this thing's equipped with an outside kitchen. So stepping outside the 352BH, our main entry has a nice big grab handle, solid step entry, and we're even equipped with a big electric awning that rolls out at the touch of a button. It's LED lit, but what's more important is what's here at the back of the coach. We have an outside kitchen. Let's get that opened up for you. As you can see, it's equipped with a big Jensen flat screen TV. We have a hot point electric refrigerator for holding beverages and snacks. A nice little hand sink here. Our head unit from IRV Technologies is Bluetooth capable and will run to those outside speakers. And we've got a little bit of storage in the form of drawers on either side. Now, I know I called it an outside kitchen, but you don't see a stove. We got you covered. This has LP quick disconnect right down below. So bringing out a grill or a griddle and plugging it into your propane is going to be easy breezy. Now, you guys, I hope you've really enjoyed this quick tour of the 352BH. This is a great new floor plan from Avalanche this year. Check it out for yourself in person here at Southern RV in McDonough, Georgia, or check it out online on our website, southerrnrv.com. Until next time, happy camping.